is what you call the sphincter urethrae. Sphincter urethrae, the membranous urethra. This is the seminal vesicle, and this is the ejaculatory duct. Ejaculatory duct, and this is the rectum, and this is the anal canal. So, over here is the external anal sphincter. This is the internal anal sphincter. Internal, external. So, here, this is the, what is this? Valve of the penis. This is the testis. So, this is not the testis. This is the penis. So, valve of the penis. This is the, what is this? This corpora cavernosa, and this is the corpus spongiosum, because this is the urethra, spongy urethra. Mura man to? Bulbus spongiosum? Walay bulbus spongiosum na makita dire.
Ang loob dyan.
Wala. Dama day, kani daw imuhang, kani daw imuhang. So to, anak, pundiform ligament. Kaning white. Kani siya imong corpus cavernosum muscle. Bulbus. Bulbo. Sige, usab. Bulbus spongiosum muscle. Sus. Basta muscle. Sus, di ba? Basta muscle. Bulbus spongiosum. Cavernosus. Muscle. Sus. Bulbus spongiosum. So, murang man to, actually. So, this
Sup?
ano? Kani daw siya. Corpora cavernosus.
Ito ano yung bulbous spongiosum?
Bulbus spongiosum muscle. This is the bulb of the penis. This is the spongy urethra. So this is the corpora cavernosa.
Corpora cavernosa.
Yun lang. Tanawa naman diri gudang imong ureter na siya dira mo na siyang buslot dira. Atong uretary orifice. Bye. Sana may marami kayong natutunan.
May